Hello guys. What's up? Hope you all are well. Welcome to our channel. Today I will show best top 3 drone. So, let's start the video. Hello. Number 1. Eachine E58 Wi-Fi FPV with wide-angle HD 1080p camera height hold mode foldable arm RC quadcopter drone X Pro RTF drawn for gift. Description. Brand name, Eachine. Item no, E58. Frequency, 2.4 G. Channel, 4 chains. 6. Quadcopter battery, 3.7 volts 500 mAh LiPo. Transmitter battery, 3x1.5 AA battery. Charging time, 60-70 minutes. Flying time, 7-9 minutes. Drone weight, 94.8 grams, with battery. R.C. distance, 80-100 meters. Color, black. Camera, 2MP 720p wide angle, 0.3 MP, optional. Quad size, 27x 19.5 by 5 cm, the arms not folded. 12.5x 7, 5x 5 cm, the arms folded, universal. Package size, 17.5x 16x 7 cm. Package weight, 360 grams. Features. With foldable arms, small size, easy to carry. With altitude hold mode function provides stable flight. With Wi-Fi function connected app, APK system to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. There have 2 cameras can be choose. With 2.0 MP 720p wide-angle camera give wide high definition pictures and video. With headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. With 1 key to return function makes it easily to find the way home. 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference. 4 channel which can do ascend, descend, forward, backward, left sideward fly, right sideward fly and rolling 360 degrees. 6 which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. It have 3-level flight speed to switch that can make more fun with the flying. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high-strength and resistant engineering plastics, lightweight and durable resistance. Function, up, down, forward, backward, turn left, right, sideward flight, 3-level flight speed, LED light, headless mode, 1-key automatic return, altitude hold mode, Wi-Fi FPV. Quantity when order, 1x USB charging cable, 4x protection cover, 4x spare, 1x screwdriver, 1x user manual. This product price is $30.41 price will changeable. You will find this product link in video description. Number 2. LAUMOX LX100 RC drone with 4K 1080p HD camera optical flow positioning Wi-Fi FPV foldable quadcopter helicopter drones. Follow me. Features. 1.1080p, 4K HD camera, it can take pictures, shoot videos and realize real-time transmission. 2. Headless mode function, you don't need to figure it out first which direction it flies so you can avoid crashes. 3. Altitude hold function, barometer altitude hold allows you to concentrate on directional control without worrying about altitude. 4. 1-key takeoff and landing, the 1-key takeoff and landing function makes your operation more convenient, suitable for novice operation. 5. Motor, hollow cup, good quality, durable, app operation, remote control operation, easy to carry, can draw points according to the trajectory of flight, simple operation. 6. Take photo, video, which is stored directly on the phone. 7. Optical flow constant height 3-speed switch, emergency stop. 8. Functions, sideward flight, turn left, right, up, down, forward, back, Wi-Fi FPV, speed switch, headless mode, 1-key landing, 1-key takeoff, 1-key take return, stop voice control, altitude hold, trajectory flight, app control, take picture, video, gesture photography, gesture video, optical flow positioning, smart follow, music editing, etc. Description. 1. This 2.4 GHz RC drone with altitude hold which provides it a stable flight. 2. Speed switchable, adapt the flying speed to the environment immediately. 3. What's more, headless functions would bring you an easy flight, even if you're a beginner. Specifications. Model, LX100. Color, black, white, optional. Motor, 4 PCs 8620. Camera, 1080p, 4K. Main material, ABS. Control distance, approximately 100-150 meters. Drone battery, 3.7 volts 1600 mAh LiPo battery, 1%, 2 PCs, 3 PCs, optional. Charging time, about 120 minutes. Working time, about 15 minutes. Remote controller battery, 3x AA battery. This product price is $32.19 US, price will changeable. You will find this product link in video. Number 3. SHAREFUNBAY 3 Drone GPS 4K 5G Wi-Fi Live Video FPV Quadrotor Flight 25 minutes RC Distance 500 meters Drone HD Wide Angle Dual Camera. Product features model, F3 frequency, 2.4G, 5G channel, 4CHG axis, 6-axis. Battery, 7.4 volts 1800 mAh Li-ion battery, included transmitter battery, 3x1.5 AAA batteries, not included, flight time, 23 to 25 minutes charging time, 120 to 180 minutes remote control distance, 300-500 meters flying. Weight, about 240 grams, including battery, color, silver camera optional 2.4G Wi-Fi 1080p, 2.4G Wi-Fi 4K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 4K HD field of view, 120 degrees wide angle 1080p pixels, picture, 1920*1080, save on mobile phone, video, 1920*1080, save on phone, 4K pixels, picture 3840*2160 video, 3840*1080 APK, supports iOS 6 or higher and Android 4.4 or high-end systems, quadrilateral size, product folding size, cm, 18.5*, 12.5*, 6 cm, product development size, cm, 33*, 33*, 6 cm, feature, with foldable arms, it is compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight, with 5G, 2.4G Wi-Fi function, can be connected to APK system to take pictures, videos, transfer images in real time through mobile phone camera 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 300 meters. Optional 2.4G Wi-Fi 1080p, 2.4G Wi-Fi 4K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 4K HD camera can provide a variety of high-definition images and videos. Follow me, the plane will control the phone fixedly and follow the direction of movement of the operator. With altitude hold mode function, it can provide stable flight. The orbital motion will make the plane fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route on the screen and use the helicopter as a given path. With auto return function, when the aircraft loses the controller signal, the aircraft will return to the takeoff point according to the GPS trajectory, using 7.4 volts 1800 mAh battery. Flight time is up to 25 minutes. Headless mode, no need to adjust aircraft position before flight. One-click back function, you can easily find your way home. One-click takeoff, landing. One button takeoff or landing automatically, the drone will take off or return to the takeoff position. With low power protection overcurrent protection, anti-interference uses 2.4 GHz technology, -4 channels, you can fly up, down, forward, backward, left, right, 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and easier control. It has 3 flight speed switch levels to make flying more fun. The quadrotor fuselage is made of high-strength engineering plastics, which is light and durable. This product price is $61.34 US, price will changeable. You will find this product link in. That was my video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.